Let me say something that might sting a little. If you're over 30 and still dressing the same way you did at 23, it's probably holding you back more than you think. And no, I'm not talking about being trendy or wearing suits every day. I'm talking about something way more subtle and way more expensive in the long run. Most guys don't even realize it's happening. They wake up, grab the same jeans, the same sneakers, the same hoodie, and wonder why people don't take them as seriously anymore. Today, I'm breaking down why most men over 30 still dress like they're 23, what that silently communicates to the world, and how to fix it without changing who you are. By the way, I've tagged a few timeless, well-made pieces in the video description, stuff that actually works for mature men and doesn't age out next season. My name is Omari and I'm here to help you upgrade your everyday style. Fast, simple, no fluff. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. You didn't evolve. Life did. Here's the uncomfortable truth. At 23, dressing cool was enough. You were building, exploring, experimenting. At 37, the world expects something else from you, even if nobody says it out loud. Your environment changed. Your responsibilities changed. Your social circle changed. But your wardrobe still stuck in the same era. And here's the part nobody talks about. People don't judge your potential. They judge your signals. When you walk into a room dressed like a college version of yourself, people subconsciously assume you're still operating at that level. Not because they're evil, because humans are visual, shortcut machines. That hoodie you love, it might still look fine, but it no longer represents where you are or where you're going. And no, this isn't about age shaming, it's about alignment. You've matured. Your style just didn't get the memo. Number 2, comfort became your excuse. Let's be honest for a second. Most men say, I just want to be comfortable. But what they really mean is, I don't want to think about it anymore. Comfort slowly turns into autopilot. Same sneakers, same graphic tees, same fits you could put on blindfolded. And here's the trap. Comfort slowly kills presence. Not physically, socially. You stop standing out in rooms where you should. You blend in when you should be remembered. And the crazy part is, you don't need to dress fancy to fix this. You just need intentional comfort. There's a massive difference between looking relaxed on purpose and looking like you gave up. One communicates control, the other communicates avoidance. And once you cross 30, people can tell instantly which one it is. Number 3. You're still dressing for who you were trying to impress. This one hits hard. A lot of men over 30 are still dressing for their college friends, their ex, social media from 2016, or a version of masculinity that doesn't fit anymore. But your life changed, your priorities changed, your standards probably did too. Yet your clothes are still trying to impress people you don't even talk to anymore. Here's the uncomfortable question. Who are you dressing for right now? Because style should support your current life, not your highlight reel from a decade ago. When you dress with intention, something shifts. People take your words more seriously. Interactions feel smoother. You don't need to prove anything, and ironically, that's when you start standing out the most. Number 4. Trends are not your enemy. Chasing them is. Let's clear something up. Trends aren't the problem. Blindly copying them is. Most men over 30 either reject trends completely or chase them way too hard. Both are mistakes. You don't need baggy extremes or teenage aesthetics to look modern. You need updated proportions, a cleaner silhouette, better fabrics, subtle structure. That's it. The goal isn't to look young, it's to look grounded. When your clothes fit your lifestyle, your body, and your energy, people feel it instantly without knowing why. And yes, the exact pieces I'm talking about are tagged in the video and linked in the video description so you can see what actually works in real life. Number 5. You're dressing emotionally, not strategically. This one is sneaky. A lot of men dress based on how they feel that day. Bad mood, hoodie. Tired, same old sneakers. Don't want attention, oversized everything. But here's the truth. Your outfit influences your mood way more than your mood should influence your outfit. When you start dressing with intention, your energy changes before your day even begins. You walk differently. You speak differently. People respond differently. Not because you're trying to impress, but because you look like someone who has direction, and direction is attractive in every area of life. Number 6, but this is just my style. Is it really? I hear this all the time. This is just my style. Okay, but is it a style or is it just familiarity? Real personal style evolves. It sharpens. It matures. It doesn't freeze in time. If your style hasn't changed in 10 years, that's not identity. That's comfort disguised as loyalty. And here's the good news. You don't need to throw everything away. You just need to upgrade the language of your style. Same personality, better expression. That's the goal. Number 7, the silent shift that happens when you upgrade. Here's something no one tells you. When you start dressing with intention after 30, people treat you differently, quietly. You get more respect in conversations. People listen longer. Opportunities come easier. Not because of ego, because your appearance finally matches your experience. You stop trying to prove yourself. You start being recognized. That's a powerful place to operate from. Number 8, this isn't about money. It's about clarity. You don't need a massive wardrobe. You don't need luxury brands. You need clarity. Clear fits, clear colors, clear purpose. Most men overcomplicate this because they think style is about expression. It's not. It's about communication. And once you understand that, everything becomes simpler. Number 9, the uncomfortable truth most men avoid. Here it is. Dressing like you're 23 at 35, 40 or 50 isn't harmless. It quietly holds you back. In dating, in business, in how people position you mentally. You might be more capable than ever, but people won't see it if your appearance tells a different story. And that's not fair to you. Last but not least, the shift starts small. You don't need a full wardrobe reset. Start with better fitting basics, cleaner shoes, structured outerwear, intentional colors. That's it. Small upgrades, massive return. So here's the truth most men never hear. Growing older isn't the problem. Refusing to evolve is. Style isn't about chasing youth. It's about representing the man you've become. If this video made you rethink even one outfit in your closet, it did its job. And if you want to see exactly what works, I've tagged a few timeless, well-made pieces in the video description and also in this video. Stuff that actually works for mature men and doesn't age out next season. Thanks for watching. My name is Omari. I wish you as always all the best. Until next time. Peace.